So you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, Kiran.
Hello?
Yes, yes, able to.
Okay. So everything is clear, right? Voice and okay, screen sharing is good, right?
Yeah, yeah, as of now, good.
Yeah. So like we are completed from the scripting and controller, nothing but. So what is the script we are completed? That script is work with the multiple users point of view. We are creating the script and we are doing from the some scripting enhancements. That script will be ready from the multiple users. So what is the scripts you are ready did? That script we can push into the controller and we can execute with the multiple user point of view. We can design the scenario. So once we can open the controller, it will be look like this. This is the, it will open this window. You can see the, we have the scenario type will be there. We have the manual scenario and goal oriented scenario will be there. Manual scenario means manually we can design the scenario ourselves. Like you need to decide from the how much duration, okay, and everything you need to decide and you need to give from the manual scenario. Goal oriented scenario nothing but, so our controller itself it is design the scenario. Okay, so as a real time we'll never go with the goal oriented scenario because any execution we are performing from the, so we need to design the our scenario, how much duration and what is the ramp up, what is the ramp down, what is the duration. Okay, so these all we need to decide. So that is why we'll never go with the goal oriented scenario. So manual scenario we can select, and after that you can see the, these all the available scripts. Okay, so we have the different scripts will be there. These all will be available scripts means you are done from the your system. These all the scripts you are completed. Okay, once you completed we are able to see this script, and if you want to push this script means you can select that and click on add, and after that you want to add any other more, you can select from the others. Okay, so for example I want to add from the one more, so you can just, you can add, then you can click on OK, then controller will be, actually controller will be, it is open, and there we can see the three tabs. Okay, one is the design tab, one is from the runtime tab. Okay, hello. Yeah, Abhishek, what happened? You are not. So once open this, right, we can see the, this is the design, this is the run and diagnostics. Three tabs we have there. In the design nothing but you can design a scenario. How many users you want to execute? Okay, how many duration you can execute? What is the ramp up, ramp on duration, and how many scenarios you want? So you can select from the here. You can observe for this script is we are selected these two scripts. You can observe it is came as a red color means this script is not available in your, okay, in this folder. We use scripts, we use web tours, this flight booking 0511 script is not available, that is why you got from the this red color. So you can remove means we can remove from the this script also. This is the, just you can click on remove, then it will be removed. And otherwise you want to add one more script, you can select from the here also we can select. So first of all we'll go and see the in our folder what are the scripts we have, we'll see. Okay, documents and the visual. Okay, and the scripts. Okay, we have the flight booking 28/09/2023 we have, so we can select that. Yeah, this one, so you can select this. See, now we are selected two scripts, and these are the scripts. If you want from the any other scripts also you can select. So means we can add the script, we can delete the script, after push the script also we can do it. So for here we can observe we have the schedule by scenario will be there. So schedule by scenario, we have the means we can do the schedule by name. So in that we can observe the schedule by scenario and schedule by group. Two types will be there. When we can switch from the schedule by scenario to schedule by group, nothing but schedule by scenario is nothing but all the scripts behave like a one scenario and having from the one ramp up ramp down duration. For example, now you can observe if you select from the schedule by scenario, how many scripts you have. This script is the one, right? You will get from the, if you select this and this, it will show from the wall. This is the duration, this is the ramp up, this is the ramp down. So means single only it will be show. But if you select from the schedule by group, what will happen means every script behave like their own scenario, own ramp up, own ramp down and duration. Okay, so nothing but, for example, you have the different 5 scripts will be there. So all scripts will be you are executing 5 means no need to design from the, like each and every one will be different. You can do from the all will be 5 only. You can select from the that 5 and you can design from the like this. Otherwise, if you want from the individually, okay, each and every script I want to individually, then you can select from the schedule by group. You can observe if you select this, you can observe if you, so this scenario, this is that. And if you want from the this script is the different means you can observe this means when you are selected from the schedule by group, okay, all the scripts behave like a their own scenario is the schedule by scenario. Schedule by group means every script behave like a their own scenario and having like ramp up, ramp down duration. So difference everyone understand. So after that you want to design nothing but, so here we have the design. Here you can observe start users. So how many users you want to execute the test. First of all, you are selected from the web tour flight booking 2809 script. For this script, how many users you want to execute? 100, 200, 1000. So how many users you can give there? And you can observe here, we have the ramp up also very important. So this is the very important because so yourself you need to design the scenario. For example, we'll see the NFR. I think we have the workload model. Yeah, I will open this and we'll compare from the this, because once you are created from that NFR means based on NFR only we can execute. So we'll observe. So this is the NFR. So for example, you can observe this is the many scripts we have, like 10 scripts we have. Okay, and that this is the SLA of that script. And this is the expected TPS means per second how many transactions it will be generated. It is each API level they are given. And volume you can observe we have the different executions will be there. You can observe those executions like baseline, peak load, spike and stress and soak will be there. For example, now you are doing from the baseline. Okay, so this is the users. So you can observe each and every script will be different users. Okay, so you need to, based on this only you need to give from the, for example, if you come to the script here, so for example you can give from the first is example 24 will be there. You can give from the 24 and click on OK. You can observe here is a 24, it is observed. And just we are thinking, okay, as per this we can do from the, so this is the API script, one more is the 20. So you can give from the this means you can select this again, click on from the start users, you can give from the 20 users. Okay, so you are designing scenario. You can observe two will be different users. Then only we can select from the schedule by group. Okay, now we'll come to the ramp up.
Suppose we have to at
Sorry?
least. Am I audible?
Yes.
Suppose we have 10 15 scenarios, we like design like that, right?
Yes, yes. Each script is a different value. Okay, users, you can definitely should be different from the like each one is a different.
So number of scenarios also there. So number of SLAs
Yeah, if you
also there.
have 100 also, like
Uh-huh.
120 scenarios also different. You say you need to design.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So we have the ramp up and ramp down will be there. Okay. So for example, now one script is the first script. We have the 20 users, right? Second script is the 24 users. Now you need to design the scenario. Yes, right. So we need to design a scenario. First, you are giving from the 20 users. That's fine. And so you need to give from the ramp up and ramp down. So why we are giving from the ramp up, ramp down means, so we need to give from the some breathing to the application. For example, at a time you are hitting from the 20 numbers at a time hit means what will happen means some problems is come. Okay. So real time what will happen 1 lakh users at a time it is coming. So based on that, like everyone user will be different login, right? Same way, real time point of view, we need to give from the ramp up, ramp down. Ramp up nothing but users will be gradually increasing the load. Ramp down nothing but user gradually reducing the load. Okay. So now you need to design this scenario 1 hour duration. For example, 1 hour duration. Okay, and now you are performing from the baseline test. Okay, baseline test. So these details you have right now, you have these details. Okay, each script also how many you know and everything you know, but ramp up how we can calculate, ramp down how we can calculate, that is the important for us. So you can go to the controller. Here you can observe, if you click from the start users, here every user every 15 seconds is ramp up. This is the start users nothing but ramp up. So here you are giving from the every one user is 15 seconds ramp up. Means total 20 users how much time it will take? So one user 15 seconds. Ramp up will be 20 into 15, right? 300 seconds. All users will be ramp up, 20 users will be ramp up is completed.
5 minutes.
Yes or no? 5 minutes. So you can observe. So as per now we can discuss just every one user ramp up every 15 seconds. Total users will be 20. So one user only ramp upping. 20 into 15 total is how many? 300 seconds. So equal to how much? 5 minutes. So same way ramp down also same you can think. Okay, just you can think. Okay, this is the 5 minutes. Okay, and here your time you are giving from the 5 minutes ramp up, that is the very use time. So if it is a 1 lakh users or it is a 2 lakh users, it is a 20,000 to 100 users, whatever may be, one thing you should be remember, okay, ramp up, ramp down, don't cross from the more than 2 seconds. Sorry, 2 minutes. Okay, don't cross from the more than 2 minutes. So based on that, you need to design this scenario. Okay, for example, now how many users we have? 20 users. So you are given as a, okay, every 4 users ramp up with the every 10 second. Then how much time it is happen? Every 4 users ramp up every 10 second. Total user
40.
will be 20. 20 by 4 means 5. 5 into 10, 50 seconds. 50 seconds, right? Same way here also you can do 4 users every 10 seconds you are given. So same 50 seconds is happened. So 50 seconds means within the 1 minute only it is completing. You can observe within the
This
1 minute is
this can
complete. It is
what I
fine.
can get.
Maybe this week you are thinking at as a, we have the 2 minutes time, right? At least we can give from the 1.5 minutes means you can what you can do, you can give from the every 20 seconds you can give. Then how much time it is happen? 4 users will be every means every time 4 users ramp upping every 20 second means every 20 second is a, it is happening. Total how much time it is happen? 100 seconds, right? Yes or no? You can observe first to how do you can calculate means total users 20, 20 by 4, 5, 5 into 20 seconds. How much?
100.
100 seconds. Same way here also you are doing, you can get from the 100 seconds. So 100 seconds means how much time? 1 minute 40 seconds. So means your ramp up is happening from the 1 minute 40 seconds. So this is the good. Okay, if you give from the like 300 seconds, ramp up 10 minutes. Sorry, yeah, ramp up for 5 minutes. As same to the ramp down also 5 minutes. Test duration will be 1 hour. Total is 2 hours 20 minutes is happen. So that is the very too much time. So that is why based on from the our number of users, we need to divide from the like this, and you need to give from the ramp up ramp down. And your mind should be every time don't cross from the more than 2 minutes if it is a user count whatever maybe. Okay, for example 200, assume 200, then what you can do, you can increase from the here every 40 users. Okay, so yourself you can do whatever maybe you can do. You see 50 users also you can give. My sir told only 40, I will give from 40. That is not correct. So as per our requirement, is that within 2 minutes is happening or not all users? That should be your mind, and based on that you can design the scenario. So very important this point. Okay, so how to we can design scenario is very important for here controller. This is only very important thing. Okay, so you can design the like this. So now we can design from the same way. Okay, we can do from the same way in our real time also we can do from the in controller. So if you go controller, 20 users, every how many users? 4 users every 10 seconds, right? Every 10 seconds. Okay, can give. So you can observe this is the we are doing. You can observe total how much it is happening time 40 seconds. All users will be coming from the here. Means you can observe here to here. Here to first to 4 users increased. Again 4 users because we are given from the that condition. Every 4 users will be ramp up in every 10 seconds. So you can observe every 10 seconds, 4 users increasing. Finally, 20 users will be achieved from the here as a 40 seconds.
Is there any specific formula is there to ramp up or down, ramp up and ramp down user?
Specific?
A formula. It means
Yeah,
you just
we
not
don't have any formula. Just that should be don't
okay.
cross from the more than 2 seconds. Or if you have the more users, for example, like lakhs, you can then you can 5 minutes also can give. That is should be fine. There is no formula.
Okay, so divided total users divided by 2. Uh, Within how many users hit by the per second.
Yes,
So we
yes.
can
Yeah.
like that.
So you should be design from the like this only. So you can do from the like this. How much time it is happening? You can calculate first based on from the users. Okay. Every 4 users, every 20 seconds or every 10 seconds it is happening. So how much time it is happening? Every 1 second, 10 seconds means 40 seconds only it is happening from the our ramp up. Same here also you can do from the same way, and so this should be your mind every time. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So now this is the duration. So for example, now you are doing from the 1 hour duration, you can give from the 1 hour duration. Okay. So duration nothing but execution time. So you can observe this is the execution we are doing from the 1 hour. Okay, and after the stop users nothing but it's a ramp down. So here also we can design from the same way. Every 4 users will be every 10 seconds. See, now ramp up is done, ramp down will be there, total will be our execution will complete by 1 hour 1 minute 56 seconds. It is that. Why? Because it is including from the ramp up, ramp down and duration. That is the elapsed time. So it will be including ramp up and duration and ramp down. It is called as a elapsed time. We can call it as a like this duration is a steady status. Nothing but your execution will be all 20 users will be executed from the here to here 1 hour duration. Here to here is a 1 hour duration it will execute. Means how many users you are given, all users will be, so again and again it will be executed from the till 1 hour duration. Okay, same way you need to design from the here also. So this script will be design is different, means now we can design from the same way second script. Okay, okay, now 24 users. Okay, and every 10 seconds. Now for example same way you are given. So here how much time it is happen? Anyone guess? Uday? Sunny?
50.
50. This one I am asked from the second scenario. This is
Second
the
one.
first. Yeah,
Second one.
second one.
24 divided by 4 into 10. 60.
60 seconds. Okay,
Yes.
60 seconds means 1 minute. So this is also 1 minute. 1 minute. So same way we can design from the here also. So if you select from the second script, you can select this. So this is the only select the second, right? So this is already we designed everything done. Then you can design from the this one. So same way start users. See 24 users. Same way every 4. Again total will be every 10 seconds ramp up and duration. So 1 hour duration and click on OK. And next ramp down, stop user nothing but ramp down. This is also every 4 users every 10 seconds. Click on OK. See now like this you done your execution design will be completed from the, for example we have 2 scripts only, so I design from the 2. If you have more you can design from the more also same way. Okay, so total users will be 44 users you are executing. So in this design we have this is only very important, like what is the ramp up, what is the ramp down, what is the duration, and what is the schedule by scenario, what is the schedule by group. Okay, all will be there in this design. And go to the run tab. So you can observe this is the down status. So how many scenarios you are selected here, it is displayed. And before going there, right, we don't have much time, right? I am like decrease from the time. Actually we are doing from the like real time we can do from the 1 hour only, but now what we can do means we'll execute from the some 03 minutes. I'm giving from the 00. Okay, 3 minutes only duration, and this is fine. And same thing I will change from the this is also duration 1 hour. Okay, but real time we can do from the more than
1 hour.
1 hour we can do. Okay, see now design is completed. Okay, so after that go to the run tab and just you can observe this many scenarios you are doing, still the state will be down state. And once you can click start, what will happen is it is coming to the pending to limit and ready, and ready to it is going to the run nothing but it is a ramp up is completed, all users is coming to the run. And after that if our execution is completed, it is a gradually existing, it's nothing but ramp up, and finally users will be stopped. So you can execute this. This is the start scenario. If you are, it is asking from the result directory already exist. So this is the result directory. If you want to create new means, you can click on no. It will ask from the like results name. For example, now we are doing from the baseline test some web tour. Okay, just I give it. Okay, and this is the actually saving location. If you want change means you can change also, we can do. If you select that, okay, and select from the where you want. Okay, for example, in the this PC you want from the any folder particularly, like this is the C. Okay, so for example local T. Okay, I think E we have space. Okay, E. Okay, click on okay. In that, so you can E folder you are saving. For what is the name, it is saving with the baseline test vendor, and click on okay. So means we want means you can design, that is all. Do you want to load new script iteration? Okay. So now you can observe your running users. It is starting. If you observe, it is a elapsed time and how many pass fail, and you can observe also users will be coming from the gradually increasing the load. So 8 users already came here. You can observe this 8 user will be initial state. You can observe this is the API, right? That is why it is came fast. This is the UI, right? It is coming to the initialization. It is happening. So it will take from the difference from the year to year. Okay, so we can observe this is the execution is going, and here you can observe total users will be how many users is running users it is showing, right? Currently it's 20 users only, because 4 users will be still initialization status. So that is why only 20 users running. So now 24 users, it is a running state. So total will be, we have the 44, right? 8 users will be still down status only. Okay. So here you can observe these are the passed transaction. There is no failed transaction, no errors. If you want to see the graph running users, okay. So means see ramp up will be happening like this. This is the ramp up. Okay. All users completed, then it went from the study status, nothing but duration, 1 hour duration. So still we have the 8 users will be in down state, limited initialization status. So you can observe we have the transactions also. So what are the transactions we have? All transactions. So we can see the response time also here. If it is any transactions taking high response time or not, we can observe here. So you can observe some find flight is taking for now, as of now 11.2 nisa. Okay, just note it. This will be taking high response time. I can observe. Okay, and we have the running. It's how the it's happening and how the throughput is generating. Throughput nothing but sub bytes will be received from the server. So you can observe now all users will be came into the here. Okay, all users came, and I think in our script randages point will be there. So like we are discussed, right, randages point nothing but, so it is a point to instruct the users wait for the certain point, and it execute from the subsequently all the users. So after that, so it will be released from the here to there. Just that is the randages point. Okay, and can observe. So now ramp up is done, right? You can observe this is the study status, nothing but duration up to here 40 seconds. Okay, how much ramp up is happened up to that is completed. After that all users will be executed from that till how much duration you are given, like 3 minutes we are given, right? It will be executed from the only for this duration it is execute 3 minutes. So but elapsed time nothing but it is a entire test time. It is including from the ramp up, duration and ramp down is the elapsed time. Okay, So and you should be monitored from the this window as same to the our server side statistics are very important for us. Server side nothing but CPU and memory utilization. So means you are executing from the some users means each and user it will take from the some utilization of the CPU and memory. So that also it is a fine or not you can observe during the test. Like for example, if you go to the CPU and you can observe, so we can go to the app history or process we can go and so you can observe in our system we have the different it is executing. So each one also it is taking from the some CPU some memory. So for example, now you are doing from the controller, so you can observe this controller itself it is taking from the CPU is the 2.8 it's a, and memory is the 83 it is consuming. Okay, so means already it is you can observe it is 41 and 52 is there. It is including from the all the scenarios, but in real time only if you are executing means your test only it will execute because we have the servers will be there, app server, web server will be there. So those servers we should be monitor using from the our monitoring tools. Sitescope, Performance, App Dynamics, Dynatrace will be there. So there our servers will be, our infrastructure team will be, okay, they will configure from the those servers. There also you should be just monitor like each and every server you can go, okay, server 1 how much CPU utilization happening, okay, so 40% or 20%, memory it is a 40%. So based on for that it is actually Windows based application it is crossing more than 80%, then is some server side utilization could be problem. If it is a memory also it is crossing more than 80%, so CPU memory is not sufficient from the how many users you are executed. Like for example, now we are executed 40 users. 40 user point of view, it is you observe that 80% is crossed. So it is not sufficient. Just send to the team. So we are executed 40 users. So CPU memory is not good. It is crossed from the more than 80%. Could you please increase from the CPU and memory? Then they will increase from the, for example, currently 4 GB there, then they will increase from the 8 to 16 GB, they will increase. Then again you can do, after that your CPU's memory is normal, then your test will be good. Got it? See, all users will be now gradually existing status, nothing but ramp up. So you can observe execution it will take some time. Why? Because it is including from the ramp up, ramp down, duration and results correlate also it will take from the some time. So that is why it will take from the, so as per our correctly we are not get here, but okay, in we have the performance center also will be there. Okay, we have controller how will be there, same way performance center will be there. There also we can do from the same way. You can push the script and you can design the scenario and you can execute and you can analyze the results using from the analyzer tool. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
So you guys, if you not understand, right, you can ask me. Okay, no worry. You can do from the like ready from the scripts, 4 or 5 scripts like pest store, web tour, API testing, and one more you have any other URL can ready, and like ready nothing but you need to complete from the all the scripting enhancements, correlation, parameterization, validation points, everything is done. Everything is a test data also will be there. How much data you have, that data you can put it from the parameter and those scripts you can push here, and you can decide already like this web2 script I want to execute 10 users. You can decide divide that each script is a different values, and you can design the scenario, each script will be different and you can execute, then you would be understand very well. So if you, this is the just one time attempt, if you did from the one time, then it is every time will be should be same. Okay, you guys can
Okay.
practice well.
Okay.
Okay. So still it is a gradual existing status. So you can observe also few users will be why it is taking high time, nothing but. So users will be more users, but we are given from the very less time, like 3 minutes only you are given. But here is the like geo application, right? What will happen is it will take from the time. So but real time you can go here in our NFR. So where we can see, yeah, yes, so production. Already we discussed, right? For example, we have the notepad, right? So scenarios you can observe. So we have the scenarios, different kinds of test we have. So one is from the peak load test. You can observe here also scenarios, production data, yeah, workload model, API scope, and here you can observe this many scenarios we have, this many test, baseline test. So this should be we can do from the 1 hour duration. Peak load test we need to do from the 1 hour. Spike test we can do from the 1 hour duration, and we can observe stress test we can do from the 1 hour duration. But soak test we can do from the long duration, like 18 to 24 hours also we can do. Why? Because we can do from the soak test means we need to find the long hours, our application availability, how it will be there. There is any issues, there is any errors we are getting, any memory leakages happening while during the long duration time. So we need to observe these all details. So like these all tests we can do from the usually 1 hour only, but only soak test we can do from the this one. Okay, and you can observe also this is the baseline test and peak load test. Peak load nothing but it's a 1x load. So here you can observe users will be here 26. You can observe as a users will be here, it is a into 3, like 26 into 3 78, and stress nothing but 6x, 26 into 6, you can observe 156. Again soak test means only 1x load, like what is the peak load you are executed, same load we need to execute from the soak test, but we can execute from the like 18 to 24 hours long duration time. So for example your scenario also you can design from the like this. Okay, you can design from the like this baseline and TPS and basic and users. You have example. So you are okay. For example, we can open one new. For example, you are doing from the one is a page store. Okay, one is the web tool. One is the calculator. Okay. So first will be we have the baseline test. Okay, so for here what things we have, right? So first should be like based on from the your right, you will get from the TPS you will get. Okay, otherwise users will be you will get. So based on that we need to calculate from that. So we have the formula will be there, Little's law. Okay, so based on that you need to give from the here. So you can observe here. You can see here, just for example, you know the TPS. Then how do you can identify the like number of users means you know the TPS. So TPS into pacing equal to your number of users will come. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, number of users is equal to, okay, TPS into pacing. So what is the pacing? Pacing nothing but it's a delay between the iteration to iteration. So means we need to give from the some delay to the application from the every iteration. Every iteration is nothing but complete business flow is completed. That is the one. So we can based on from the here, if you have the any one, you can identify the, for example, you know the number of users, you can identify the TPS. If you know from the TPS and number of users, you can find the pacing. And for example, you have that like pacing and TPS, you know, you can find the number of users. So based on that, you can divide from the here. And pacing, we have the calculations also will be there. Little's law will be there. So I will explain from the how to you can identify the pacing also. We can discuss in the one class. Okay. So for example, now what you can do means based on this formula. Okay. Where is the yeah, this one, right? Based on this formula, you can design first thing. Okay. Okay. So you guys will prepare like this. For here, for example, TPS and pacing, like 2 seconds you can observe, like giving from the gap 2 second pacing. And after that, users, we can call it a users. Okay. Now for example, you know the users. Okay, so users already I told. Okay, for example, paster you can take from the some 15, and web tour you can take from the 10, and calculator. So this is the NFR you can observe. Just I'm giving from the some details to you, and this is the okay 20. Okay, 30, 45. Okay, that's fine. And one more thing, don't execute from the in our okay here controller more than 50, because this is the free license, right? Only 50 users up to you can execution will be fine. If more than that means you need to buy the license. Okay, so now you know, right? Then pacing also you know 2 so and TPS. So how much is the TPS based on this formula?
30.
TPS,
30.
number of users by pacing, right?
7.5. 7.5.
7.5 and 5 and 10. So now this is the baseline is done. So once if you done from the baseline, next what is the next will be peak load, right? Peak load. So peak load also what we can do, just you can copy this same thing here, because here also we have the same and emergent center. Okay, and now so for here what we can do means pacing will be, we know that, so 2 only, it's fine, that should be fine. Okay, and now users, so here is the baseline is the 15, but how to you can decide from the peak load? Already I told. So peak load is a nothing but it's a N3, okay, into, and it means N2 year on year growth is a 10%. 10%. So year on year growth will be 10%. So you know the already users will be this, right? So pacing also from the TPS also So what we can do means anyone you can do. So how do we can do means, for example, number of users. So already the users, right, into 10%. So this one into 10 by 100. So 1.5. So and
Total.
plus you need to include from the this also, right? You can give from the this. So 16.5 users is the 10% of the baseline test. Same way we can do from the this all. This is the 11, this is the 22. So users will be every time should be not a point. So that should be, we can adjusted, we can give from the one more column, adjusted UV users. Okay, adjusted users. You can give from the 16.5 means 17, and after that 11 is fine and 22 is fine. So now adjusted users then pacing also then TPS means how much? Number of users by
8.5.
So then how much you will get TPS?
8.5.
2 by 17 means 18.5, right?
8 by 5.
18.5. And 11 by 2 means 5.5. And 22 means 11. So now peak load also it is ready.
Okay.
So now peak load is ready. Okay, now peak load is ready. So next what? Spike test. Spike test also. Now this is the 1x load. Peak is the 1x load. Same you can give from the same this details, pacing and users, everything we need to give from the same. Now you need to give from the into 3 TPS into 3, because why is a spike test nothing but it's a 3x load. 3x load. So TPS already from the here, this is the TPS of the peak, right? So this is the one. So now what you can do, you can select this and into 3.
25.5.
Pacing should be every time should be same only. Okay, this will be not increase. Okay, because every script will be every execution should be same. Okay, view users also the view users. This is the adjust users, right? So this is also into 3.
51.
So this is the spike test. Spike test is design is completed. Next what?
So
Stress.
stress test.
Stress is nothing but 6x.
Into 6.
6x load. Same positions we need to give. Okay.
45.
TPS. So V is equal to peak
7.
load is the TPS we need. Peak load TPS, where is the TPS? Okay.
8.5 is there.
8.5. So into
We need to take the only peak load TPS.
only peak load we can take from the 6x. 1x is the peak, right? We can take from the spike, stress, everything is that is only we can consider. So this is the TPS, and this should be same. And here also into 6x it is come. So number of adjust users into 6. Okay. Finally, stress also design is completed. Okay. Next what? Soak test. Soak test nothing but it's a 1x load only. Okay. Already 1x load means this is only 1x load, right? We can take from the this is only 5. Sorry. First will be column, second copy. Then here onwards, right? Here and this is the and users. So design is completed. See, now your design is properly, everything is correct. Okay. Okay. So this alignment we can do somewhat. Okay. Now, so we are design. So this is also you can give from the name, like scenarios, scripts, whatever maybe can give. Okay. Okay. So we can design this. So this one we can execute from the in our test. So means you need to prepare for the like this as a enough per time. So very important this. Okay. Got it? Hello. What happens? Uday left.
They are
Okay.
starting on it.
Okay. We'll catch later. Okay. You guys can practice. Okay.
Okay, Kiran.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.